Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Lab by Shamili. Today's video is something all of us need to hear, especially if you like trying natural DIY skincare at home. So, we have all done it at some point. I also used to do the same things during my college days, the gram flour packs, lemon, coffee packs, and aloe vera mixing, everything. But as I learned more and become aware of how skin and ingredients actually work, I realized many of these methods are not safe at all. So I really want to share this with you too so you can avoid these mistakes I made. I want to explain in a simple way why homemade skincare is not always safe and what you can do safely at home. So let me start with the reasons. So the first reason is wrong ingredient ratios can damage the skin. So when you mix ingredients at home, there is no way to measure the correct percentage. For example, too much lemon juice can burn the skin because its pH is extremely low. And too much turmeric. So we usually mix the turmeric, curd, lemon, everything. So too much turmeric can cause yellow staining and irritation. And high concentration of essential oils can cause allergic reactions or rashes. And in professional labs, every ingredient is added in safe percentages after testing. So at home, it's just guesses actually. And the second reason is kitchen ingredients are not skin safe grade, right? Even if something is natural, it may not be safe for your face. For example, milk, curd, yogurt, these can carry bacteria and can cause acne or fungal infections. And the raw honey can contain some spores. And in case of aloe vera directly from the plant can cause dermatitis because of the latex content. But the cosmetics labs use purified, stabilized, skin grade ingredients. Kitchen ingredients spoil fast and are not sterile. Then the third reason, your home is not a controlled lab environment, right? So to make skincare safely, you need sanitized equipment, controlled temperature, clean air, no contamination, and proper storage. So at home, even a small dust particle, water droplet, or bacteria can make the product spoil. For example, a DIY aloe vera gel stored in a jar can grow mold in 2 to 3 days. And a DIY cream without preservative spoils immediately, even if it looks fine. And then the fourth reason is no preservatives, that means high risk. Homemade skincare usually has water like rose water, milk, aloe vera, tea, curd, yogurt. Anything with water grows bacteria within hours. If applied on the face, it can cause rashes, eye infections, fungal acne. Green tea toner made at home can grow bacteria at the same day. Sometimes we make curd plus turmeric mask. This can cause fungal issues if left too long, and preservatives are essential and safe in the right percentage. Then the fifth reason is no stability testing. So at home, we don't do any stability testing. So the product can become more dangerous. But in the cosmetic labs, products undergo stability testing like the heat testing, cooling, light exposure, the shelf life, pH testing, and the patch testings. There are lots of testings we do in labs, and this confirms the product remains safe over time. Well, many popular DIY combinations are harmful. I'll give some examples. So, lemon plus sunlight. Lemon contains psoralen, which causes chemical burns and pigmentations when exposed to sunlight. Then, baking soda plus lemon. People use this as a scrub. This actually destroys the skin barrier because baking soda is highly alkaline and lemon is highly acidic. Then, So the coffee particles create micro tears on skin, which leads to dullness and sensitivity. Then toothpaste on acne. Toothpaste contains menthol, detergent, bleaching agents, can burn the skin actually and make acne worse. Then aloe vera gel plus any cream. Mixing aloe vera gel with store-bought creams create bacterial growth because the mix is not preserved. And then the essential oils. Sometimes people just apply the essential oils directly on the skin, like tea tree, lavender, eucalypts. Direct applications can actually cause burns, irritation, or severe allergies. Well, homemade skincare feels natural, but it can be risky if done without knowledge. Your skin deserves safety, hygiene, and science. And if you want to try DIY, do it with correct information, not blindly. And if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. And please subscribe and support my channel. And thank you. See you in the next video. Bye. Take care.